Hey guys, this is Chad Johnson again with Johnson Smokers. Going to do a little quick video on the Ultimate Patio on our website. Apologize, the weather's not cooperating for us here, but hopefully the video is going to turn out. Ultimate Patio, this is 24-inch pipe main chamber, 24-inch pipe firebox, 1/4-inch steel. You got a 20-inch pipe vertical chamber right here. You open everything up. Full slide-out rack, top and bottom. They are independent of each other, so take out the top rack if you want to all the way. Take the top racks out, stand you up a turkey or something like that, or leave the top racks in. It is a reverse flow smoker. I'm not going to get into this crazy detail with that. I've got a pretty good write-up on my website, and feel free to call me anytime. I can kind of help you through that process or whatnot. It is a reverse flow smoker. Going to kick your heat and smoke all the way to this side, come up in contact with your cooking racks, go back across and out your stacks. Hooking up to the vertical chamber, you can't see it in here, but there's a, you probably heard me shut it. There's a 6x4, roughly 6x4 flapper that's about this big, flips open and shut. Put your heat and smoke into this vertical tire right here. These 4 racks are removable. You can cock them up at a 45 degree, take them out. A lot of people take out the, every other rack and create some headspace if you wanted to stand up something tall. Down here on the ground, you see these little pans. I had a lot of customers just ask me if we could do something to get this thing to where we can run it as a grill. These pans, you can set those 2 pans on these racks, or you can slide these racks all out, take my reverse flow system out, it's completely removable, drop those pans down in the bottom, and then you can grill that way. So there's 2 ways to grill. Put the pans in the bottom, or put the pans on this rack. Put your pan on, bed of charcoal, slide it in, and then grill on this section right here. That's what those pans are down there. If you're not using those, obviously just put them aside when you're running it as a normal smoker. Other than that, the smoker, all of the specs and stuff are on my site, just to keep the video short as possible for loading on the computer. The specs are on the site. There's 24-inch wide doors. It's about 18.5 square foot, 19 square foot on your size for capacity. Flat strap seal doors, dual thermometers, got dual stacks, dual vents. I'll shut this real quick. You got 2 vents on your firebox. You got a self-tightening door handle on the back. I'm gonna grab the camera in just a minute and walk around this side. Excuse me. This is a customer logo. Disregard this. It's a customer's pit. So you guys are more than welcome to do this. Kind of personalize the smoker for you. Other than that, we do. You'll notice on the photos on the site, we do have flat caps on the front and backs of these smokers. We used to do a rounded end. We have a CNC machine that cuts out all of our parts and does all of the computerized work. It's a very smooth cut. Everything is very, very nice. Wells are always going to end up smooth. We do go over it with a flapper disc and keep everything nice and smooth for you. But just notating for you, you do have flat caps on the front and back. That's how we build them now, because we've got CNC machines that help cut our firebox door and so forth to help us with our parts. I'm going to grab the video real quick, show you the firebox door, and wrap this up for you guys so you can kind of see. Like, once again, I'm about 6 foot tall. This is Ultimate Patio. This is kind of like I'm going to say we sell this. This is a very popular smoker for people for home patio. It's on the larger side, no doubt, but we sell a lot of these. We also put this on a trailer called the Ultimate Patio trailer. You guys can check that out as well. Let me walk up here, grab the video, excuse me for just a second. Let me kind of slip around here, kind of give you kind of a shot of the back. You'll see your vent. It's shut. That one's shut over there. These vents basically just open and shut like this. Your door, I'm going to back away a little bit if I can. You're going to see a nice heavy-duty wood rack in there. You shut your door, push the handle. When you push down, it actually puts pressure right here. It's a self-tightening door handle. Other than that, we back away from it one more time, kind of scan around this side. Get up here just a little closer. You guys can kind of try to move slow here. You guys can kind of take a look here. Other than that, Ultimate Patio. My name is Chad with Johnson Smokers. Visit our website. Give us a call. We do all kinds of customizations to the smokers. If you want a single door, we want stainless steel cooking racks. We do direct dampers in your vertical smoker. Give me a call on all that stuff. We got some other stuff we can do to the pits to kind of cater them to your needs. All right, my name is Chad with Johnson Smokers. Appreciate the time. Thank you.